Oga, na my phone you finish so. For where you buy yesterday night. Now one passenger now carry. Person no see better precision. Bad way for this country.
Haven't you heard of Kidiaye Oil and Gas?
I never. Where this one? I never hear.
Them dey for Upper Airport Road for Benin City. They open first week of April 2021. You get correct fuel, better meter.
Hi.
In fact, they even do employment currently safe. They find well attendant, clerk. In fact, all the positions with the job that they find.
I need to go apply because this keke wan kill me. Keke okay. Every day.
I beg.
With this, right?
My sister, she like me.
For where?
Yeah.
Two people fighting one person.
God forbid.
Hey, what is it? Come here. Hey, come here. Parents don't say make run the stand here on Sunday morning again. On the year what that be? Very good. You are under arrest. Wait, who is this man?
I'm a regular customer now.
Oh, you're a regular customer.
Ah.
I don't know them now.
Now why did they know person?
It is what it is.
It is what it is.